Hey, Uncle AJ, what are you doing?
Hey, buddy. Just writing down some New Year's resolution.
What's a New Year's resolution?
So that's a good question. So New Year's resolutions are goals you have for the future, things that you want to do to get better.
How do you know what to work on?
Well, you pick the things so you're able to change, and you pray for the things that you can change.
Yeah. Good point, Uncle AJ. Can you give me some examples?
One thing I can change is what I eat, so I'm working on a diet. Another thing I can change is how I spend my money, so I'm working on a budget.
There's a lot of things I wish I could change. Hey, Violet, what are you doing?
I'm working on my New Year's resolution to get better at art.
Oh, wow, okay. Hey, Elise, what are you doing?
I'm just working on my New Year's resolution.
Yeah, I heard about that. What is your New Year's resolution?
Getting better at gymnastics.
Hey, Alicia,
Oh, hi.
do you have a New Year's resolution too?
I'm trying to get better at my creativity this year.
Hey, Ella, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm practicing my ballet skills
Do you got a New Year's resolution?
to get better at my ballet.
Okay, thanks. Hey, Elijah,
Hey, little bro.
do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yeah, like I want to get stronger.
Is that why you're working out?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any other New Year's resolutions?
Well, I'd like to get better at basketball and practice every day.
Okay, thanks. Hey, Gabe, what are you doing?
Playing video games.
Do you have a New Year's resolution?
Yeah. Being better at video games.
Okay, thanks. I never thought about making changes. Maybe I should, though. Where do I start? I have so many things I want to change. I know who I can talk to. King Kenny, King Kenny, King Kenny, go!
Did someone call me?
Hey, King Kenny, it's me. I called you.
Hey, Ethan, what's going on?
King Kenny, everybody has been telling me about a New Year's resolution, but I don't know which one to pick.
New Year's resolution? What's that, buddy?
It's when people decide to make changes in the new year. I just have so many things to change, and I don't know where to start.
I have a lot of things I'd like to change too. What if we make a list together? Sure.
I'm getting ready, I'm getting ready, I'm getting ready, I'm getting ready to go, getting ready, I'm getting ready, I'm getting ready, I'm getting ready to wake up, make the bed, brush teeth, put the song in my head, hands up, getting ready to go, got a smile on my face, and get ready to roll.
Think tall thoughts. Think tall thoughts.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to change my height.
Change your height? I don't think that's possible.
You see, sir, I think I'm qualified for this position because
Hey, buddy, you okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to change my age so I can get a job.
Ethan, I think we need to have a talk about what we can and cannot change.
Okay.
Hey, buddy, see, you can't just change everything about yourself, you know?
Well, why not?
Because there's some things that you can change and some things you can't. Now tell me, what are some of the things that you're trying to change?
I wasn't trying to change too many things. Just my height, and my age, and how smart I am, and how good I am at sports. Oh, and how I look.
Ethan, we can't change certain things. Certain things will change at the right time. For instance, you're gonna grow up one day and you're not always gonna be this height, and you're gonna look different, and you're gonna be smarter, you're gonna be older, but all of those things will happen at the right time. But you know what we do about the things that we can change?
I don't know what.
We pray for patience until those things can change.
But I want those things to change now.
Trust me, it's a lot easier at this stage. You need to enjoy being a kid now.
So what can I change?
Well, you could definitely work on being smarter by reading more and studying more.
That's it?
If you want to be better at sports, you need to practice, and practice will make you better.
What about my age and my height and how I look?
In time, those things will change for the better. Right now, God made you perfect to do what you need to do now.
That makes sense. Thanks, King Kenny. King Kenny, King Kenny, King Kenny, go!
Hi, boys and girls. Did you know that you are special? When God made you, He made you exactly how you're supposed to be. And all the wonderful things about you, the things that you do, the things that you like, the gifts and talents that you have are all special things that God made when He made you. When He made people, He went to the sand and He made 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 mouth, and He went. And so with His breath and with His power, He made us, and He made us to be very unique and special. Let's sing a fun song about how He wonderfully made us.
Hands and feet, eyes, ears, and nose. God gave me 10 fingers and gave me 10 toes, a mouth and smile He gave to me. He wonderfully made my body. Arms and shoulders, elbows and wrists. God gave me arms so I can make a fist. Hips and legs, heels and knees. He wonderfully made my body. Brain and heart, stomach and lungs, they all work together to make it run. Bladder and